guys, it's Sam here. So I just got home from school and on my porch was this. This is my Voxbox. I have been part of Influencer for about a year now, I think, since the summer. And I've been trying to get a Voxbox for so long, and I finally qualified for one. It's the John Frieda Me and John box. I'm really excited to try it and see just basically what's in here. If I can open it. I always have the worst time trying to open things, and I never bring scissors down to help me. Okay, so this is first look inside. First look inside. The first thing I see is this. John Frieda. It might be Frieda, I'm not sure. Brilliantly brunette, visibly brighter, in shower lightening treatment. See a lighter shade of brunette after one wash. Ooh, that's nice. It asked me if I want, like, what color my hair was and if I wanted to go darker or lighter, and I said lighter, which is how I knew it was going to be about hair, because my hair is practically black, but it is brown, and I sort of want to do, like, I don't know, I want lighter hair, especially for the summer. Holy crap, this is full. John Frieda, brilliantly brunette, visibly brighter, subtle. I think it's subtle, but I might say subtle. I don't know. When you're questioning how you talk. Subtle lightening conditioner. Illuminates natural tones and nourishes. And this is 250 milliliters. This is, like, even the packaging just feels like, I don't know, it feels nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this. I'm guessing this is shampoo. Yeah, this is the same thing, but shampoo. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is French. Here's English. Lighten your brunette. In the shower for a sun-kissed glow. Like I said, I just came back from school, so. Use treatment once every 4 weeks. Only 5 minutes in the shower for instant lightening. Shampoo and condition daily to gradually brighten your brunette. Oh, okay, so I use this once every 4 weeks, and I use these every single day. This will be so cool. I'm actually so excited, and I'm so thankful that I finally got Voxbox from Influencer and John Frieda, so I can try these amazing products. Like, this is like the coolest thing ever. I'm so excited. Okay, that's all, you guys. Thanks for watching. I know it's pretty short, but thanks for watching, and sorry I probably look a bit yellow because all the lights around me are yellow because there's no natural light out right now. I don't know why.